We're standing close to the site of the proposed Mega Mosque. In fact, it's just over my shoulder here. It's a proposal for a 9,000 capacity mosque, which would make it one of the biggest in Europe. And at the moment, as we stand here, not far away, there is a public inquiry taking place. And it's an inquiry into the appeal by the mosque trustees here against Nyon Council's decision to refuse them planning permission to build that big mosque. They have the right to appeal against Nyon Council's decision. The planning inspector who chairs that inquiry will listen to all sides of the evidence and the arguments, and he will then make recommendations up to the Secretary of State, Eric Pickles. And he will take a decision probably October time this year, all being well, and that should be the final decision. Either he will decide that the appeal is allowed and that therefore they can go ahead and build their huge mosque, or the appeal is rejected, in which case they cannot go ahead with their big mosque. They'll have to come up with some other plans for this site. We had as a witness on our side a Muslim woman from the British Muslims for Secular Democracy, and she's argued the case as to why they shouldn't be allowed to build this mosque, because one of the reasons is the way they treat women. She's been a witness before for us. She witnessed 2011 at the last public inquiry, so she's very much on our side. However, she was got at over the weekend. She was away abroad on holiday and she was phoned up by a senior Muslim who claimed to be not associated with the mosque but on the side of the mosque, and basically she was intimidated. She phoned me up on Saturday afternoon, extremely distressed at the phone calls and emails that she had been receiving from them. In the end, I think the pressure just got to her and she said she was going to withdraw from the inquiry and as our witness. She didn't tell us, and she didn't actually tell the planning inspector until the very last minute. She just told the Muslims, known as the Nyon People's Alliance, told them that she would withdraw because of the pressure they were putting on her.